Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Georgie. In today's video I'm gonna be doing an ego try on haul. I'm actually staying in a hotel tonight. I have some of the bits with me, but the other things like handbags and shoes I got from the order, I'll clip in at the end and I'll just try them on at home and show you. But first I have this tracksuit. I have tried everything on already before. I just want to come on here and show you guys. It's so cute. I got such nice pictures in this as well. I'll insert with the matching jacket. I love it. I can't wait to show you. I also got this. I also got this brown mini cropped backless top, and I styled it with this denim checkered skirt that I love. I also got some long black jeans as well. I was hunting for a pair of black jeans for ages, and I usually go to Ego for like a cool pair of jeans, so let me try them on first. Actually, I can just do them with this top. Okay, I have the jeans on, guys. I kind of moved the camera for you to see. So they're like a washed black. I think they're quite flattering on the bum, but they are like a loose baggy jeans. They don't show much, but they are too oversized. Let me actually get on the bed one sec. They're really comfy to move in and stuff, but look, you can see they're a bit long for me, so I wore them with heels. I'll insert a picture to show you. But yeah, they are really comfortable to wear, but you can see they're too long, so I styled it with some heels. I mean, like, it's dying, guys. I know I said I'd charge it next time, but I forgot. But I do really like them, guys, and with trainers they do look good for like an oversized look with a nice pair of trainers as well. So I give these maybe a 6 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think. I'll go try the next outfit on now. Okay guys, this is the top on. I actually love this. It's backless. You guys know I love a backless top. I feel like it makes my boobs look so nice as it just sits under them. Very flattering. And the skirt I actually love. I've done it lower down so you can... I didn't wear it this low down. I just want to show you how it's meant to be. I think it's so cute. I styled it perfect with this top and some cowboy boots that I'll show you when I film at home. But I wore it like this, so it was very short, and my boot was like popping out, but I thought it was cute. I rate this a 10 out of 10. Kidding, maybe like a 7 out of 10. What do you guys think? We love it. And it's got 2 belts here as well. I'll show you as I'm undoing them. And then it has a zip, I think, here. Perfect. Okay guys, I'm obsessed with this tracksuit. Like, the colour, I'm in love with this shade of blue. It's so nice. I kind of feel like Regina George's mum mixed with an American baseball coach mum. Something like that. I just love it. No bra on. Mommy, like, he's dying. But yeah, no bra on. Titties looking nice. I know that's not what it's about, but it is a really nice fitted jacket. It's so like comfy, and just, you don't need a top on underneath. So pretty. And let me show you the joggers. I do actually like mine oversized though, so I can be really comfy in them. I'm joking, no, they're really, you can even twerk. No, I'm kidding. They are really nice. Extra long though. Could do with them taken up, but you could just fold. I just put bobbles in them, to be honest, with trainers. But if you know how to stitch soil, what's that? Susan, could you turn the ring?
If you know how to stitch soil.
If you know how to stitch it, or whatever the word is. Okay, these are the joggers, so you can see properly, guys. This whole outfit's got to be my favourite. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. So cute. You love this too, don't you?
And Regina George's mum.
Regina George's mum?
Can you keep the star drops in?
I will actually. Okay guys, and I'm in a rush, so that's it for today's try and haul. I'll obviously film the other bits at home with my bags and shoes, but I do have 2 exciting try and hauls coming up this week with lots of clothes, mini dresses. This was just a quick one I thought I'd do, so yeah, subscribe so you don't miss them ones, and thank you for watching. Bye. Hi guys, part 2 of my Ego try on haul. I'm gonna put them both in one video though, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the other bits that I got, the shoes, the bags and stuff. First, I got this hat that I love. I can't put it on my hair right now because I just did my hair. So cute. It's like a dupe of Miu Miu. I think that's how you pronounce it, but instead it says Min Min. So it's not like it's not a dupe. It's like an inspired hat by them. Matching bag to go with it. And I paired it with my old poly red top, if you've seen it in my last haul, with jeans. This is like inspired by the Dior bag. I love this. I also have this in black. It's so pretty and I love this colour. It's got such good storage all in it. It's a nice big bag. You can fit a lot in this. Just like cute on the shoulder. Love. On this one, I paired with the brown outfit. So cute. Also inspired by Miu Miu. And it's like this nice suede material. And again, you can fit a lot in this. I love this bag. Guys, I actually didn't realise how much I order until I do these hauls. But I got this little black bag that I feel like is inspired by a Birkin with this kind of lock here. I love this. I styled this with an all black outfit. And then it's got like the little silver details here. I love this bag. It's very like you could wear it for a night out or day to day, I feel like. I'll show you the shoes I got. These are what made me even click on Ego. I'm obsessed. Look at these red heels. They're so nice and it's like crocodile print. I always size up in my heels. I'm a size 3 UK, but I always get a 4 in heels. I love this. I wish the heel was a little bit higher, but yeah, I feel like these heels are so pretty. What do you guys think? I wear out of them, but I got a new black stiletto heel. I'm obsessed. I love this little platform here. Makes it so much more comfier to walk in, and it's like a high stiletto, which I love. The only thing I don't really love about these is for some reason this hurts when you walk. Like I've even worn it loose and it's like it's rubbing in. I don't know why. Maybe my calves are just too big. Well, that's the only thing I don't like about them, but otherwise they do look really, really good. This is like a really nice sexy heel to wear, and I feel like everyone just needs a staple black pair of heels in their wardrobe. Okay, these boots are different to anything that I've ever ordered before, but I'm actually in love with them. I love them because the heel isn't too high, so I can wear it on a day-to-day basis whilst also feeling dressed up without feeling too casual. I felt like a cute little cowgirl in these. I was in love. Like my outfit was so nice. I can't wait to wear them again with like jeans. This is a gorgeous boot. I love it. I do always wish the heel was higher, but this is perfect for like day-to-day wear. Love. Okay guys, so I guess that's it for my Ego haul. It's Friday today, so I wish I had this done for today so you could have seen it, but instead it will be posted tomorrow. Let me know what your favourite is, and I hope that you enjoyed. I have 2 really exciting hauls coming up this week. 3, sorry. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to not miss. Bye.